Hi, it's Mona, and in this project I'm gonna use this beautiful giant outlined lavia die with a bunch of happy unicorns. But first let's create the card base with an oldie but goldie technique. You will need die ink cubes by your choice, a paper towel, a water sprayer and a waterproof surface. Mine is a glass mat this time. I am creating lines with lemonade, ballet slippers, fresh lavender, and merman lamphon ink cubes because I want to achieve a light rainbow background. For more saturated result, just pick darker colors. Next, I am making the ink super wet with water by spraying it well. And now I put a piece of Neenah solar white cardstock on the top of this colorful puddle. Pushing it well like this, and I am firmly pulling up the wet cardstock from the corner. Because this is a water-based technique and you can't control it precisely, you will get different patterns every time. If there is a residue on the edge of the card, then carefully mop it up with a paper towel and let it dry. Backgrounds like this work very well with giant word dies, and it's relaxing to create them. While the background dries, let's color the images, but I have stamped already with crunchy leaf ink pad to Neenah solar white cardstock. Here are the used stamps, which are linked in the description box below. Now I am gonna color white unicorns with rainbow hair, teal wings, and some lovely happy mail with a quick coloring, and I will be back soon. Once the coloring part was done, I added highlights with white pencil and pen. I also added some sparkling kind of elements here and there. Next, I die cut and fussy cut the images. I also created a few die cuts with this precious giant die from gold glitter and white cardstock, as well as a white die cut with the puffy cloth border dies. When it was done, I ran the dried card front through my die cut machine with large stitched rectangle stackables to have stitched edge details on them. I repeated the same with the clothes as well. The most relaxing part is coming, the styling. At least this is my favorite part, to put the card together and to see the final result. And what's your favorite part? When the last 3D foam adhesive is in its right place, I can say that the lovely unicorn card is ready. Thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed it. Bye!